Custom-made front velour seat covers. Slide the headrest cover on the headrest. Push button on side of headrest plastic clip to remove the headrest. You may need to put the top of the seat back down in order to get it out if it touches the roof lining. Turn the headrest over. Close the Velcro strips, hard to soft. Place the top section of the seat cover on top of the seat. Place the 2 airbag tapes out to the sides, ready for tying. Take the remaining 3 middle tapes and push them through the center of the seat between top and bottom and pull the cover tight. Place the base seat cover on the base of the seat, lining it up with the front line, and again push the tapes into the center of the seat, the gap between the bottom and back of the seat, and pull tight. Also pull the front tapes behind the bar that rolls the seat forward and back so it doesn't get stuck in the mechanism. And push them as far back as possible under the seat. Slide the seat forward and move to the back of the front seat. Undo the back flap. Some may be only attached with elastic, some with clips, or a combination of both. Pull the back flap up and place it out of the way. Pull the tapes out of the middle of the seat. There should be 6 in total, 3 from the top and 3 from the bottom. Make sure they're all straight and they're in pairs and not in the way of any wiring or cables. 1 with 1, 2 with 2, and 3 with 3. Get the 2 side airbag tapes and tie them together. Make sure they're tight. Get the front 3 straps and tie them to the rear ones. Run front tape to 2 rear ones, then tighten as required. Tuck the remaining tapes under the seat to hide them away as best as possible. Move to the side of the seat. Place the tapes on the inside of the side plastic trim using a thin piece of wire or a thin flathead screwdriver. Don't just push the screwdriver or metal in anywhere so as to avoid damaging the seat. Pull them tight and tuck in any extra material into the gap. 1 tape goes to the front and 1 tape goes to the back from the side of the seat. Tie the 2 front side tapes together at the front of the seat and adjust the tightness of the straps. Roll the seat forward. Place the rear inside tape on the inside of the seatbelt clicker and pull to the back. Pull the 2 rear side tapes and tie them together and tighten as required. Fold the back flap back down and reattach the elastics, plastic hooks, or a combination of both under the seat. Move to the top of the seat where the headrest sits. Tighten the seat cover so it's flat on the face and feel for the headrest holes. Pull up the material slightly and cut a small hole in a straight line about 3/4 of the size of the plastic headrest holder. Stretch the material around the plastic headrest holder so it sits flush underneath, just as the original manufacturer does. Do the same for the other headrest hole. Always start small, as you can always make the hole larger later. Be careful not to damage the plastic with the scissors when cutting the holes. Grab the headrest, push the side button on the headrest, and slide the headrest back into position. Put the seat back into your desired seating position, and you're done with the installation. Do exactly the same for the passenger seat.